Welcome to Alarms for Anyone Do-It-Yourself installation. This is for the door sensor. To start out with, we have this Honeywell door sensor, as you can see, and it has a piece of sticky tape on the back of it, and you just peel the label off of it, which would leave the sticky tape on it, and then you can get it. It'll be ready to stick on the door. We also have the magnet that would go on it, and it too has a sticky tape on, and you would peel the label off of it. In this case, it would be best if you put the door sensor itself on the side or the casing of the door. In this case, there's not enough room, so we'll have to put the sensor on the door itself. So the first thing we'll do is we'll mount the magnet, and we've peeled the label off of it. You want to put the magnet as close to the door as you can. Go ahead and stick it on just like that. There's a little angle right here, you might not see it, so I'm leaving it on the flat surface. And then we take the door sensor, and you can see there's a black mark, and that's what you put your magnet next to. When you get your door sensor about a quarter to an eighth of an inch away from the edge of the door, and you stick it on just like that. In the case of the Interlogic's door sensor, they're a little smaller. In this case, we can put the door sensor on the jamb itself. And then you can see there's a black mark on it, and that will line up with the black mark on the magnet itself. So put the magnet on, and then they line up, and the next thing you want to do is open and close your door firmly to make sure that it does not knock off the sensor or the magnet off the door. Some people like to put the sensor on the top, along the top. We'll take right along the top. I don't know that you can see it, of the door. Right up in here. They like to put it up in here, but many times it's not feasible, because the door, as you close it, will move up and down, and it will knock the magnet or the sensor off of the door. So it's best to put it on the side of the door as close to the top as you can. Be sure to not put the sensor any farther away from the magnet than 1 inch. It's best to make sure that the gap is between 1/4 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch if possible.